Hello guys, last day na sa work karon. Imagine guys, pumasok ako dito, wala pa akong anak. Ngayon magdidibo na yung anak ko. Mag-18 years old na. For 20 years guys, pabalik-balik dito. Pabalik-balik dito sa parking lot na to. Yan, kain na. Huling inventory.
Wash out.
Oh.
Wash out.
Wash out pala,
Watch
wash out.
out sa family
Watch out.
namin yan.
Brom. Start it.
Brum.
Give the key.
Go behind you, Benji. Hold on. Oh, go first.
Give the key, man. Mangaon pa mi. Ayan, wala nang kalaman-laman. Lahat nilipat na. Empty na lahat. Nakakamiss talaga tong trabaho na to. Ayan, 2 buwan din yan binaba lahat ng mga parts yan. Akala ko dito na ako mag-retiro. Ilang taon na lang sana. Wala talagang forever guys. What's next? Abangan ang susunod na kabanata. Niligpit ko na yung mga gamit ko. Ito yung station ko. Consolidation area, quality control. Kuya, mamimiss ko si Kuya.
I'm gonna miss you, man.
Si Kuya, mamimiss ko si Derek.
Naman
Saka
live,
si
akala
Dayan.
ko live.
Hindi, wala mo mag-live.
Bawal?
Babay na.
Last vlog mo na ba yan, bye?
Hindi pa. Marami pa. Marami pa. Kape pa mo, ha? Kuya.
Kape ako, tea.
We should put our backs to that, right? So we can see the whole warehouse.
Malinis na, pare. Walang iyak, ha? Walang iyak, ha? So,
Iyak yan.
iyak ba? Oh, dahil.
Hey, what's my TV?
Don't cry, okay? No crying.
Sarado ko na, bye.
Umpisa na tayong mag-alsa balutan. Yung mga picture ng mga events, ilagay na natin sa box. At mga memories na lang ang natitira. Good memories for 20 years. A lot of Christmas party, a lot of company picnic. Maraming events, barbecue on summertime in the LBC. Pigilan ko lang maluha guys, sapagkat ito na talaga ang huling araw. This is it, pansit. Ayan yung mga achievements, yung mga training, yung mga memories sa magandang alaala. Alaala nang tayo'y mag-sweetheart pa. Ayan yung mga personal belongings. Put it in the box. on, brum brum. Start it.
Broom, broom, broom.
Give the key.
Go behind you, Benji. Hold on. Oh, shit. Oh, go first. Go first.
Give the key, man. Shout out, shout out.
Nah, over here people think that's gay. I mean, which yeah, I see why, but it's like in Thailand and Mexico, bro, you got like 4 motherfuckers on one bike.
I'll turn the other way around if I'm getting on the amateur like that.
Yeah, get whatever.
The original Mona Lisa, right?
Get whatever you want, man. I'm gonna miss IDIC, man. I'm gonna miss the place. Almost 20 years here. Buona Beach, huh?
Oh no, not yet. They're still on Rockwood this shit.
Benji, what type did you get?
All of them. Need the combo.
Buona Beach, huh?
You have tamales? Really? What's tamale? Yeah, it's over here. Oh, no, that's a red cheese. No, they actually have tamale. They do? Yeah, he said. She said you can get it, but they're gonna give them to you too later.
Mukhang maganda yung dessert nila.
Parang lecture plan.